back to my channel. So today is the second day and I'm on my way to collect my girlfriend. So I'll be at her place like in 2-3 minutes. Actually, the thing is today is the wedding of one more cousin of hers. So we'll be going there as well. That is at countryside Varka, I guess. So first we'll be going to Panchwadi and then from there we'll be going to Varka. So it's gonna be a long way. Here for the second day we'll just go in and we'll stay like for half an hour, 15 minutes for half an hour, and then we'll move. So the wedding restrictions are till 10:30 and we don't want to reach for the wedding after the wedding ends. So we'll have to manage with the time somehow, but we'll try to do that. And also I was just going through some stories on my Insta, and I saw that my friend had passed away. So this is a festive season, December season, and a lot of accidents occur during this time. I would, if you all are watching, I would like to request you all to please be careful. It is a season where everyone is happy and the excitement is quite high, but I request and please ride and drive safely. That's it. So I've reached Joshua's place. I'll wait for her. So finally my baby girl has come, and it is already 8:10. Right now we are on our way to Panchwadi and we are going for the second day. I think the second day is called as Portone. Okay. Second day is called as Portone. Okay, I think that word is in just my mind. I'll just check on that and I'll tell you all in some time or some other video. But I think there are two distincts. One is Apone and one is Portone.
So now we are done fitting the shoes, and my boyfriend told me to comment something on him. He said he told me to record this video saying that he's looking handsome. You're looking very handsome. I was told to do that.
So we reached this one's bride's place, and the prayers are going on. Just a minute, I'll lock the car from that side. If it's a litany, it will take a long time, but if not, we should be able to move in half an hour. So it is 8:30 right now. We should be able to move by 9. So currently the litany is going on, and my girlfriend is tired. She just took a sit. So the Akal Nore is here. The photo shoot is going on.
A celebration. Well, I'll tell you.
Right now we are moving. We have to go for another wedding at Varka. So I'll just a minute. She's telling me something. Kidhar Nanu? Okay. Fine. So right now I'm back on the wheels. I just changed the shirt and the coat. Beige coat. This is the color is the same grey. And there is such heavy dew. That's very difficult to see anything in front. At least on the camera it looks good because the camera angle is low. Okay, only that patch was with this. So right now, as you all know, we are going to Varka countryside. There countryside is there, no? Yeah. So I just remembered that about Apone and Portone. So what my girl has to say is that Apone is for the groom and Portone is for the bride, because the bride is coming back home. But as per to my understanding, Apone is today when they call the bride and newly married bride and groom to their place for the first time, and Portone is tomorrow when they are going back home. So there is a bit of a confusion over here. If you all know, please do let us also know in the comment section. We will see who is correct. I am pretty confident that I am correct on this, but even she is not losing hopes on her argument. So do let us know what it is. And yeah, so now we'll just move to this thing, the hall. So we just reached the hall, and the time now is 10:08. I think we'll get the last piece. But now the fast songs are going on. Another 10 minutes and they'll stop it.
Get your ankles out, get your ankles out. DJ Salvino with the final fast song. All the hankies out.
So my baby girl has an authentic style of taking food. She'll always put prawns curry on pulao. But why? Everyone wants to know why.
Just I like it. It's my own touch.
Okay. So this is what I have taken, and my baby girl is daba ke kha rahi hai.
Don't compare my plate.
So we ordered mocktails. There is the ideal bartender over here, and we took peach, and this is strawberry kiss, and this is green apple.
This is not a mocktail. This is a cocktail.
This is a cocktail. Sorry, this is a cocktail. And if you just compare it with the size of her face, the glass is pretty much that much. Sorry.
Let me just take a sip.
So the wedding is over and we are going home. We have back again Junior Adonis wearing my clothes.
It's cold. I'm freezing. Just kidding.
So you know it's pretty cold today as compared to the past 2-3 days, and even I'm feeling cold, but it's fine. So we have almost reached near the car. We are planning to go to the beach. We'll just sit for some time. I don't know if Ivan will get down, but okay, she has something to tell. Okay, so now we'll move. Okay, so I think now it's a bit clear. So this is where the tide is come, and just this much of the beach is left. Actually we thought that we'll come and sit on the beach and all, but looking at the tide, that is not just possible. You see up till where the water is coming.
Oh, double face.
So we were just returning home and we saw this wild cat. No, I think it is called a Katmazor or Bakmazor, or I don't know, something like that. It is white and it has like grey stripes on it. We are almost about to reach her place, so we'll drop her. I'll drop her and then I'll go home. It's been quite a long day today, at least for me. Morning I went for a ride, and after that the wedding, and the second day also at Panchwadi. And I'm like tired and I'm really feeling sleepy. The time has come on me such that I'm ready to sleep in the car also, but my house is just hardly 10-15 minutes from here, so I'll go home and sleep. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.